Okay, so today I'm back and today I'm here with the Hoover React cordless vacuum. So I'm going to do the unboxing of it. So let me cut the tape first. Oops. Oops. So this is the cordless model of the upright I have. I have the Hoover React Pet vacuum, and I like that one, so I decided to get the cordless one. I'm going to see if another side too. Hold on one second. Okay. So here is what is inside the box. There we go. This is what the inside of the box looks like. So here's the owner's manual. The battery. I think this is the one power. Yes, it is the one power battery vacuum. So here's your extension wand. The crevice tool. The wall bracket. The wall bracket hook. The charger. I'm guessing this is the articulating tool, your upholstery tool, the dusting brush. I didn't even know it came with the bag, but it comes with the bag. You have the tool holder, the vacuum itself, and I guess snip this under here, and then the power head. So I'm going to move this out of the way. And I'm going to unwrap everything. So here's the battery. And then here's the charger. So I guess the battery just sits in there like that. And then you can charge it. And then here's the extension wand. Here is the vacuum itself. And it says double tap trigger for constant power. So I guess you just double tap that trigger down there. And then here is the power nozzle. And this has easy access for the brush roll. So you can actually take out the brush roll without any screws. There's a little button on the side here. And you push and the brush roll pops out. Oh, there it goes. Whoops. It's not easier with two hands, but I don't have two hands. Give me 1 second. There we go. Maybe. Okay, so the brush comes out just like that with no tools. You can pop it right back in with no tools. Oops. Make sure you line up this side first with the motor. And then the rest should just slide right in. Oh, there we go. Give me 1 second, hold on. Oops, sorry about that. Well. There we go. So that's now in there. So there we go. So I'm going to put it together real quick, and then I will charge the battery, and then I will do a first test run in the morning. So the handle, or the extension wand, goes on the power head. And then the handle, or the main suction unit, goes here. And now you have your vacuum set up. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.